Good morning, children. Now we discuss about transpose of a matrix. TRANSPOSE, 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 transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. The matrix obtained by changing rows into columns or columns into rows is called a transpose of a matrix. A matrix obtained by a matrix obtained by a matrix obtained by changing rows into columns. A matrix obtained by changing rows into columns or columns into rows is called transpose of the given matrix. Is called transpose of the given matrix. A matrix obtained by changing rows into columns or columns into rows is called transpose of the given matrix. For example, let us consider one example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the order of this matrix? How many rows are there? One row, second row, third row. First row, second row, third row. 3 rows are there. And how many columns? First column, second column. 2 columns are there. So the order of the matrix is 3 by 2. So this is matrix A. Then the transpose of this matrix A is A transpose. It is denoted by AT. AT, transpose of AT. So here rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. 2 by 3. The transpose of a matrix 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. First row 1, 3, 5. This is the first row. I am converting this column into row. 1, 3, 5. And the second column 2, 4, 6 converted into second row. So this is now the formed matrix order is 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 columns, 2 by 3 matrix. 3 by 2 matrix is A, matrix A. Transpose of AT, the transpose of A is denoted with AT, is 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows, 1 row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, 2 by 3 matrix. Transpose of A, therefore, transpose of A is denoted by AT, A transpose. Transpose of A is denoted by AT. Here we will get another formula. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. Transpose of a transpose matrix. Again we will get the original, the initial matrix A. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. This is the one formula regarding the transpose of the matrix. Next, symmetric matrix. Next matrix is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. In a matrix, if A transpose is equal to A, then it is called a symmetric matrix. In a square matrix, square matrix. What is a square matrix? Cheppandi. Tell me what is a square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. అంటే ఎన్ని రోస్ ఉంటాయో అన్ని కాలమ్స్ ఉండాలి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ అంటే ఎన్ని అడ్డు వరుసలు ఉంటాయో అన్ని నిలువు వరుసలు ఉండాలి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాలమ్స్. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఎ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఇన్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, if in a square matrix, if A transpose is equal to A, then in a square matrix A, if A transpose is equal to A, then it is called a symmetric matrix. Then it is called a symmetric matrix. Then it is called a symmetric matrix. Let us observe one example. For example, take the matrix 2, 5, 5, 3. For example, this is the matrix B. This is the matrix B. The transpose, this order is 2 by 2. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. Its order is 2 by 2 matrix. Let us find the transpose of the matrix B. It is represented with B transpose BT. The transpose of the matrix B is, I am converting row into column. I am taking this row R1 into column 2, 5, first column, and this is I am taking R2 row 2 into second column and converting rows into columns, rows of this matrix A into this column to get the transpose of B. So this is second row 5, 3 becomes second column. So here in the matrix B, rows are converted into columns. Horizontal rows are converted into columns. Row 1, column 1. Row 2, column 2. Row 2, column 2. Now its order is 2 by 2. This is the B transpose of the matrix B. Here what happened? Oh, same matrix we got. Matrix B is equal to B transpose matrix. Both are equal. Here B transpose is equal to B. Therefore, I can call this B is a symmetric matrix. So B can be called as a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Do you observe the common things? A matrix, to become a symmetric, this corner element should be same. Yes or no? This corner element should be same. This corner element should be same. So this is the left side corner element should be same. Then we will get the symmetric matrix. Then by observing these matrix, we can simply say that whether it is a symmetric matrix or non-skew symmetric matrix or non-symmetric matrix. So if these corner elements, left side corner elements are same, then we call the matrix as a symmetric matrix. So we can, with this rule, we can write number of symmetric matrices. So let us say, take one example, another example. For example, 9, this is 2, and again this element should be same. This corner element should be 2. You have to take any element here, 7, whatever it may be. Matrix C. So its order is 2 by 2. 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. Now I will write C transpose. In the last example, I converted rows into columns. Now what I do, I would like to convert columns into rows. Now I am converting these columns into rows. Columns into rows. Column 1. I am writing this column 1 in this matrix as row 1. First column converted into first row, row 1. And the second column, 2, 7, the column 2, converting into second row, 2, 7. Oh, the same matrix, 9, 2, 9, 2, 2, 7, 2, 7. The corner elements are same. Again its order is same, 2 by 2 matrix. So C is equal C transpose. C is equal C transpose. Therefore C is equal C transpose. C is equal C transpose. C is equal C transpose. So I can say that C is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. So I will take another example of order 3, third order matrix. The same principle. The left side corner element should be equal. That is only the condition. But take another example for the symmetric matrix. Order 3 by 3. Come on, write down. 3, 6, 7, 8, 3, 9, 4, 5, again 3. No, it is wrong. This corner, no? This is the principal diagonal. This is wrong. This is wrong. Take another example. This is wrong. Take another example. This corner should be equal. So say another example. I can just convert this one. 7, 6, 3 or 8, 3, 9, 3, 4, 5, whatever it may be. Our condition is this corner element should be same. This diagonal, this another diagonal. So what is its order? How many rows are there? Row 1, row 2, row 3, 3 rows. And how many columns are there? Column 1, column 2, column 3. Its order is 3 by 3. For example, give one name. This is a matrix K. Now I am writing transpose of the K. Transpose of the K. What I have to do? I have to convert this row into column or column into row. I am taking this row 1. I am writing this row as column. 7, 6, 3 is column. First row converted into first column. and second row 8, 3, 9, 8, 3, 9 is converted into second column. Third row 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 is converted into third column. Its order is 3 by 3. Observe. Yes, the same matrix 7, 8, 3, 3 and 6, 3, 4, 3, 9, 5. So the corner elements are equal. The transpose okay, this is not equal now. Wait 1 minute. Let us correct this one. 8, this corner also should be equal. I take this 6 now. This 6 you write this as 6 also, and this is 9 means this also you take 9. A small correction. So 7, 6, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 9, 5, 3, 9, 5. Right? Okay. Now observe this one. 7, 6, 3. This is 6. 7, 6, 3. 7, 7, 6, 3. 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9. 3, 9, 5. Right. Now it is okay. Sorry. Once again observe. 7, 6, 3. So to become a transpose, this for example this is K, 7, 6, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 9, 5. This is 9. This is 9. This is 6. I am taking this column, this row 7, 6, 3. This row converted into column 7, 6, 3. Second row 6, 3, 9, 6, 3, 9. Third row, third column 3, 9, 5, 3, 9, 5. Both are equal. Here K is equal to K transpose. Therefore K is symmetric. K is symmetric matrix. K is symmetric matrix. Okay, we will observe the next type in the next class. Okay, bye.